All right, everybody. Today I want to take a look at this, Smatree baseball hat for GoPro. Excuse me, I'm drinking some of this Coke here, and the Fritos they're acting up. Okay, you know what that means, right? Okay. Anyway, I want to thank Captain Drone for turning me on to this. I didn't even know these things existed until I watched one of his videos, and then I just asked him about it. I said, what's the story with this thing? And he replied back. He's a nice guy, so he replied back and said, oh, he's got a link in there. You can pick one up. Because I shot like 4 videos one day last week with, and I wear my GoPro on the brim here, on the bill. And it was kind of warm, and man, that hat was sagging, okay? Because these GoPros here, the 5, 6, and 7, these things are not light. These things got some beef to them, man. They're like a half a brick, okay? They're not like those, me-hung low action cameras, those little cheap jobs, those Magoos, and all that shit. Them things are light as a feather. These things are heavy as hell, so that thing was starting to wear on my head, and I could tell the hat was sagging, As the videos were being made, the hat was drooping more and more. I had to keep pushing up on it. So I want to thank him for letting me know about these things. So I bought one off his link. Now I will put his link down in my video so you can go and check on one of these if you want. Because I think this will be a lot more comfortable when it's warm out. It was only, I think it was, oh shit, I didn't even know it came with the mounts. I thought it was just the hat. So there's a bonus for you. I think he's worn that thing for a long time, to be honest with you. I probably have seen it before, but I just never even noticed it. Yeah, hat's a nice quality. It's not some cheapo chintz. And so, you take this out. I guess you mount the GoPro in there. Plastic piece that comes with it, it's not official GoPro, so it seemed like it was a little tight. So I'll probably just put my official GoPro one on there. But anyway, there's how it looks, like that. And you could tip it whichever way you want. You want to tip it back or you want to tip it forward. I just don't think it's going to be as head heavy as the other one would be. And I'll just have to find my range on this thing, farting around with it. So, yeah, it looks good, man. This is my 6. I have 2 of these, one for the Karma and then this one. I'm filming with the 7 right now, so. But yeah, I like it, man. I think it's going to be a lot easier on the noggin than the one where the thing is laying on the edge here. So I think this is going to be a better deal. I'll just have to practice with it a couple times so I can get the setting right on it. So, yeah. All right, man. Thanks, Captain Drone. You the man. Thanks for the info, brother. Okay, bye.